she's gonna end up paying $200-300. Just had to take a break, get out of work for a second. Just having another one of those days. Had a really nice older lady. She came in. She's got all these videos and photos that she swears are on her laptop and she can't find them. And so she's gonna end up paying, I don't know, $200-300 to get these things here. And hey, that's what I do, right? That's my job. It's kind of wearing on me because this isn't the first time this has happened. It's not the first time it's happened today. You know, we get all of these elderly people. They're so sweet. They're so nice. They just want their memories, right? They just want their photos and videos of their grandchildren. They want to access them. They want to see them, but they can't find them. And so they bring their devices here and we charge them a bunch of money. And I don't feel that great about it. It's not that hard. I got this device for my parents, the PhotoStick, because they were having the same issues, right? They have all these photos and videos of me and my brothers and things that they wanted to find, and they were gonna take it to you know where and get charged a bunch of money. And I found the PhotoStick online saves them a lot of money, saves them a lot of time, because all they have to do is just plug it in to their computer, start the program, and it just aggregates all of the photos, all of the videos, and backs them up on this little device. It's perfect. They don't have to come here. They don't have to get charged bunch of money. It really helped them out, and I wish that I could recommend it to people here, but I can't. But I think you should get one. PhotoStick, right? Makes it so much easier. I'm home now, and I wanted to show you how this PhotoStick really works. Pretty simple. Got the PhotoStick, USB, boom. Just like that, nice and easy. Program's already loading up. Just gonna click it, run the program, and it can be used for PC or Mac. And once you load up the program, it's very simple. All you have to do is click go. And you can just see it. It's just searching through all of my folders. It's telling me how many photos, how many videos that it's found. It's showing me the size of the videos, and then it's showing me the progress. So how many photos and videos are being processed at the time. Super simple. And it's also showing the capacity too, which is great because you may have a lot of photos and a lot of videos on there, but this is hardly taking up any space on this stick. This is awesome. So just imagine your parents, your grandparents doing this, and boom, it's already done. It just finished. It was that simple. Save completed successfully. It searched 4,400 folders, 267 photos and videos processed that are all now backed up. Just like that.